This video highlights the use of Schrödinger's Materials Science Suite to build and edit small molecules within Materials Science Maestro. In this panel, you can create, modify, or import a molecule in 2D, then save the molecule as a 3D project entry or image. Let's dive into the panel. The top toolbar controls the primary functions of the 2D sketcher. You can perform various functions to the structures in the drawing area and import and export structures. The drawing area is used to build or edit structures. Use select options to select and move structures in the drawing area. This section allows you to choose the type of atom to add to the drawing area and their charges. You can use the bond palette to choose the type of bond to draw between two atoms. The fragments palette is used to add rings to the drawing area. Lastly, the enumeration palette accesses various tools for enumeration. I'm sketching acetaminophen. After sketching, it's best practice to clean up the structure. This may flip its orientation by default. Then I will save it to my project. Instead of drawing, you can also input molecules using smiles or smarts strings. For example, pasting the smile string for acetaminophen will display the corresponding molecule in the 2D sketcher. The 2D sketcher allows for easy modification of molecules within the project. For example, an existing ethanol molecule can be quickly changed to propanol. Importantly, once saved, any alterations made in the 2D sketcher are automatically reflected in the 3D model displayed in the project's workspace. The 2D sketcher panel and the main project workspace are interactive. These molecules can be used in various calculations and workflows. These include a quantum mechanical workflow for geometry optimization and vibrational frequency analysis, or a crystal structure prediction calculation to identify and rank potential crystal polymorphs based on their energies, and more.